The problem is Best Runner-Up winner is Miss Grand Philippines. That's not fair. You can see that our Queen Destiny was more beautiful.
Bakit kasalanan pa ni CJ Opiasa? So ano ang nagawa niya at bakit siya ang pinoproblema na ng mga fans?
More dedicated and more passionate for this competition. She was so trying hard. I feel like that's not fair. She only got second runner-up winner. That's not fair. She deserves more.
Pero nagsalita na si Miss Grand Myanmar at ito ang sinabi niya.
Final is like I'm not controlled by anyone. I just take my own decision. I give back my second runner-up crown because of we don't get what we deserve. I mean like our national costume prize, our country power of the year, not the winner crown. I'm not blaming on my sisters. I love India, I love Philippines. They're my best sister of all the time. I don't blame them. I'm just saying our national costume prize and our country power of the year, not the winner crown, not taken on it.
Ayon sa pagkakaintindi ko, mukhang nag-over-expect talaga sila ng malala. Kaya ang ending, hindi yun yung lumabas na outcome na inaasahan nila. Kaya nasaktan sila ng bongga, nag-drama, and then eto na. As in, walang katapusang drama. Buti na lang clarify ni ate mo na hindi yung crown ang hinahangad nila, kundi yung Country of the Year or Power of the Year tsaka yung Best in National Costume Award na napunta sa ibang kandidata na akala nila sa kanila mapupunta yung dalawang award.
Just because of me, not only all of my country, all of the people from my country, they all hope for this crown and they all fighting together. It's like in this competition, the representative of Myanmar is only me, but everyone is fighting for Myanmar for that night. And for the national costume, we all vote. The whole country put effort on that, and we vote together, rank one, because we put a lot of effort in this national costume this year. And my performance, I did my best. So we just hope for the national costume. And another one is Country Power of the Year. You guys can see on Facebook, Instagram, in every account who won. We can see it clearly. I'm not attacking on another competitor. I'm just saying for my people. My people put effort on every. What's the result of that? I just want to ask that first. And the second reason I cry is in that hall, a lot of Myanmar flags over there. I can see from the stage. A lot of people are crying. A lot of my people are crying. My Burmese people are crying. How am I feeling? How can I stay happy with that crown? So I started crying because I feel sorry for them. I feel sad for them. Not because of I don't get the winner crown. I'm not fighting for the winner crown. I'm fighting for my country. There are a lot of my fans from Myanmar who age are just like me or younger than me. They all are like getting motivated from me. They all are cheering up me because they think every age can do. Every age can get a leadership. Every age can be compared with another age girl who just lost their hopes.
At mega cry din ang national director ng Miss Grand Myanmar. So nag-live din siya. I'm not sure kung right after ng live ng Miss Grand Myanmar. So kung makikita nyo dito, inelaborate ng national director regarding sa national costume tapos yung Power of the Year or Country of the Year award na meron di umano'y internal arrangement, mga kinemeng ganyan. So, hindi na-meet yung expectations nila. And again, nag-expect kasi talaga sila ng bonggang-bongga tapos hindi lumabas yung outcome na inaasahan nila. So, definitely, nasaktan talaga sila and naging emotional katulad nito. Isang factor din dito, yung kanyang age. So, since 18 years old siya, tapos nung nanalo siya last year, underage siya, di ba? And sa stage na to, nasa explorative stage pa lang siya. Very curious pa lang siya kung ano yung nangyayari, na gusto niyang tahakin. Tapos, nakaka-encounter din siya ng mga ibang tao na nakakatulong sa kanyang buhay, pero meron din mga ibang tao na mamanipulate siya, tsaka nakokorrupt yung kanyang curiosity. Kaya, minsan, nagkakaroon talaga siya ng mental breakdown kasi hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya eh. So, the only way is to express her, siguro, frustrations is to cry. Kaya cry siya ng cry, di ba? Kasi nga, di ba, parang independent siya in a way na kailangan talaga niya ng legit na tulong sa tao talaga na makakapag-guide sa kanya. So nakita niyo naman siguro yung ebidensya na talagang every corner makikita niyo siya na nagkakaroon ng emotional outburst or nagbe-mental breakdown talaga siya. So she is really vulnerable. Nagbigay din ng media press conference si Nawat and sinabi nga niya na hindi pa rin niya binabakantehan ang second runner-up slot. So, binibigyan pa rin niya ng opportunity si Miss Grand Myanmar kung either kunin pa rin ba niya o kaya ibibitawan na niya. So, siguro, nagkaroon talaga ng medyo matinding meeting bago siya magkaroon ng press conference kasi nga, medyo sensitive itong dramang to. And wala naman sigurong may gusto yung ganitong klaseng drama. And nabanggit niya, kung correct yung pagkakaintindi ko, napupunta siya sa Myanmar para kausapin yung kampo ng Miss Grand Myanmar para ayusin ito. So, by that time, baka there is a possibility na maayos yung gusot. And eventually, huhupa yung emosyon ng kampo ng Miss Grand Myanmar. And then, ayun, matatapos na ang drama, mag-a-appear na siya as second runner-up doon sa mga next na appearances nila sa Miss Grand International na post-activity events. Naalala nyo, before nag-start yung pageant, nagkaroon na ng gusot between MGI and Miss Grand Cambodia in terms of production, yung sa staff, mga ganong kineme, kasi nga, Cambodia is supposed to be the host country for this edition of MGI. Yun nga lang kasi, hindi nagustuhan ng kampo ni Nawat yung eksenang nangyayari sa Cambodia, kaya lumipat back sila doon sa Thailand. And this time, since nagkakaroon na ulit ng gusot sa Myanmar, ayaw ng kampo ng MGI na maulit yung nangyari sa Cambodia, pati sa Myanmar. So, ginagawa na nila ng lahat para magkaroon pa ng chance na mag-reconcile silang dalawa. And para hindi tuluyan ng humiwalay ang Myanmar at ayaw na nilang makipag-ugnayan pa sa MGI. So, yun yung iniiwasan ng kampo ni Nawat ngayon bago pamhuli ang lahat.